This makeup brush cleaner is so old. It's probably like, I think I got it in my first internship. Ew. So over 4 years ago.
Hey guys, it's Mianne, and this is Beauty with Me. Last month, I took my bathroom from green, dimly lit hellscape to what is as close to a spa as I could possibly get it. And after seeing all of your comments, I decided to finally take a stab at my at-home beauty collection, which lives in a room in my apartment that has essentially become a giant closet. This video though is a little bit different for Beauty with Me. It's a two-parter. So this video, I'm gonna show you guys my entire beauty collection, organizing it, getting it into a better situation. And then next week for part two, I'm gonna turn this space into a functional room where I can edit, film my videos, have my beauty collection. Before we get started though, please make sure you are subscribed down below. And while you're at it, please add me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @mianne.chan. Okay, so before we get started, let me show you what my stash currently looks like. So I have an Ikea Alex drawer. It's a 9-unit drawer. It holds a ton of stuff. It's very sleek. So on the top lives my giant simple human mirror. And then resting on the top of the Alex drawer, there is a small acrylic tray that has all of my daily skincare. The first drawer has what was supposed to be like my daily go-tos. It's essentially become a dumping ground. Below is my drawer full of highlighters, bronzers, and blushes, loosely edited. It definitely could be in better shape. The next two drawers is dedicated to my eye products. So that's my eyeshadow palettes, my single shadows, my creams, my eyeliners, my liquids, all that stuff. As you can see, it's kind of a mess right now. My goal is to get it into a place where it's like organized by category. Next up is lipsticks and base products, which is kind of organized. It's basically separated by two sections, foundations on the right, lipsticks on the left. The next two drawers are dedicated to my extras. So this is stuff that I love, 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 but I'm currently using stuff, so I don't want to put it onto my daily skincare shelf quite yet. It's also a place for me to keep all of the stuff that I want to try in the coming months. The second to last drawer has my travel makeup cases in it, all of my little sample size travel products that I keep for when I go on like quick trips. And then the last drawer has all of my face wipes and all of my tools that I use when I clean my brushes. All right, now that you've seen everything, let's move on to step one, which is cleaning. So after removing all of the product from the drawers onto the floor, I took some wipes and wiped out the entire Alex unit, including the trays that were inside it. I was surprised at how gross this was. I had the unit for what, a year? There was a lot of like dust and gunk. Skincare products had kind of like leaked. Eyeshadows that had exploded in my drawer. So it was nice to give it like a good once over before organizing it and putting it back in. Then it was time for step two, decluttering. So I enlisted the help of my producer, Megal.
Yay! Megal's here for moral guidance.
We sat on the floor and organized like everything on the floor into little sections so that I could clearly see what I had in my stash so that we could start organizing it. We kind of split up the product into 3 sections. So stuff that I was keeping, stuff that I had to throw away for whatever reason. I don't know, some of them were expired, some of them were just straight up broken.
It broke.
And then the last section was stuff that I'm gonna be giving away to my friends and family.
Hand them to me so you don't somehow shatter stuff in there.
You're right.
Oh, those are nice.
Ah!
Is it dying?
It's dying. This one's almost done. I'm determined to use it all.
Please hand them to me.
Once everything was sorted into those categories, it was time to move on to step 3, organizing. So I got these cute little acrylic trays from Amazon.
These acrylic organizers that I got have a couple different sizes. This large size, this kind of like medium, like pencil size, and then 2 kind of smaller sizes that I think will be good for like little knickknacks, and then things like lip balms, nail polishes. Ooh, look here.
Mia, can I fix that for you real quick?
Yeah, sure. It looks the same!
No, it doesn't.
How is it rainbow now?
So I kind of changed up the order of my drawers this time. The top of my unit is gonna be the same. It's gonna have my skincare, my mirror, my brushes. The first drawer, instead of being like this random drawer full of my go-to stuff, I'm dedicating that all to foundations, concealers, and powders. The second drawer has the bronzers, the highlighters, and the blushes. The next drawer is where my eyeshadow palettes and then my cream and glitter eyeshadow pots live. Then the next drawer is more eye product, also single eyeshadows and eyeliners, but more of the stuff that comes in crayons or in tubes that have doe foots, like organized that way. And next up is an entire drawer dedicated to lip product. So as you saw in my last setup, I basically just had one tray full of lipstick. Now there are like little sections dedicated to different finishes and colors, which is a lot easier. The next few drawers are kind of dedicated to stuff that I'm holding on to, like for my mom or my sister, like extra storage. Not every drawer has like a bunch of stuff in it. That's really was the goal, trying to get it to a place where I could still have more stuff coming in, but hopefully I'm still editing it out. Then I have an entire drawer dedicated to all of my skincare and my hair care extras, like stuff that I want to try down the line, stuff that I love, that I want to keep for when I finish up what I'm currently using. And the last drawer is dedicated to my wipes, my travel like skincare and makeup, and then my brush cleaning kits. Beside the Alex unit, I actually went to Ikea, got a couple of baskets. Before all of this, I was keeping my giveaway stuff and then my empties in like plastic and paper bags on the floor, and it looked hideous. So I took the baskets, I put the bags full of the empties and the giveaway stuff into the basket so it doesn't look like I just have trash on the ground. I think it looks a lot better. Okay, so that is it. My entire beauty storage situation. I personally really like it. I've been using it for a couple of weeks. I think it's much more organized. I feel like I have a lot more mental space to think about what I want to do with my looks because my stash is more organized and I'm not like sifting through stuff just to find like one color of eyeliner. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for next week when we show like the entire like transformation of the room. I'm gonna paint the walls. I'm gonna get a desk. It's gonna be a whole thing. Please let me know in the comments below what your like favorite organizational hacks are. I am not a very organized person, so I need all the help I can get. See you guys next week. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see next on Beauty with Me in the comments down below, and click here to subscribe to Refinery29 and click here to watch another video. Bye.